Welcome back to Jibber Jabbers Ministries. We just had a doe, somebody shot, and a doe just ran right through us. I mean, it was running. I couldn't even get the camera running. The deer just went right through us, and they're shooting. They used an inline, and this doe just left. So we're gonna stay put. People are out scaring these deer. So here's our setup. We got our bow and everything ready to go. So we're just gonna sit here until dark, and hopefully we can see one. Hopefully we can get a deer to come in here. So I've been resting like the dog. I've been resting, drinking cough medicine. The deer's still back there. The doe's still on us. What? That doe's right over there. She's right between those two trees. She's still there. Wow. That deer's still right in there. She's hiding right there. She's hiding. I'll protect you, baby girl. You just stay right there. You just lay right in that brush. We will protect you. People just don't know how to hunt. They hunt right on top of people, and they don't realize it's still archery season. It's still archery season. In the Lost States, we can put our list right above us, where people can see us. And a lot of people do not pay attention to that stuff. When you're out using the inline, always look for this. People hang them from a tree. That's what we're allowed to do. And a lot of people don't pay attention to that kind of stuff.